Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the interplay of form and function in wooden craft project ideas by showing you more than 80 different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The interplay of form and function in wooden crafts is a captivating exploration of design that transcends mere utility, embodying a philosophy that celebrates both practicality and aesthetics. At its core, this relationship reflects the essence of craftsmanship, where artisans masterfully blend the inherent qualities of wood with innovative design principles to create objects that are not only usable but also visually stunning. This dynamic interaction between form and function invites us to reconsider how we engage with the objects around us, elevating everyday items into works of art that enrich our lives and environments. Wood, as a material, possesses unique characteristics that influence how it can be shaped and used. Its natural grain, texture, and warmth contribute to the sensory experience of crafted items, making them feel alive and inviting. When artisans choose to work with wood, they enter into a dialogue with the material, allowing its properties to guide their creative process. This conversation is essential in achieving a harmonious balance between form and function, as the final piece must not only fulfill its intended purpose but also resonate with the user's sense of beauty and connection to nature. For instance, a handcrafted wooden chair may serve the straightforward function of providing a place to sit, yet its design can evoke emotions and aesthetic appreciation, transforming a simple object into a centerpiece that adds character to a room. The design process is where the interplay of form and function truly begins to take shape. Artisans often start with a vision or concept, taking the time to sketch ideas and consider how the piece will be used in everyday life. This stage is crucial, as it sets the foundation for both the functional aspects of the craft and the visual language that will ultimately define it. The artisan must consider ergonomic principles, ensuring that the object is comfortable and practical while also contemplating how its lines, angles, and proportions will engage the eye. This thoughtful approach to design allows artisans to create pieces that serve their intended purpose without sacrificing beauty, resulting in objects that invite interaction and appreciation. As artisans move from concept to creation, the importance of proportion and scale becomes increasingly apparent. A well-designed wooden table, for example, must be the right height and size to accommodate the needs of those who will use it, ensuring that it is both functional and comfortable for dining or work. However, the table's aesthetic appeal, its shape, the curvature of its legs, and the finish of its surface, also plays a significant role in how it fits within a space. The interplay of these elements means that a table can be a striking visual statement while remaining a practical focal point in a home. The artisan's skill in balancing these aspects not only enhances the user's experience, but also creates a sense of harmony within the living environment. The durability of wood adds another layer to the interplay of form and function in wooden crafts. While beauty is essential, the longevity of the piece is equally important. Artisans must choose the right type of wood, considering factors such as grain density, resistance to wear, and stability over time. For example, a wooden cutting board must be both visually appealing and resilient enough to withstand the demands of daily food preparation. This necessitates thoughtful design choices that enhance the board's functionality, such as incorporating juice grooves to catch liquids or selecting a hardwood that minimizes knife marks. In this way, the artisan's understanding of material properties directly informs the creation process, resulting in pieces that are both beautiful and built to last. The aesthetic qualities of wooden crafts often reflect the artisan's personal style and cultural influences, adding depth to the interplay of form and function. Regional traditions and techniques can shape the design of wooden items, infusing them with a sense of place and history. For instance, Scandinavian design principles emphasize simplicity and functionality, leading to wooden crafts that are minimalistic yet deeply engaging. In contrast, more ornate styles may draw from historical influences, incorporating intricate carvings and embellishments that celebrate craftsmanship. This diversity in design philosophies enriches the landscape of wooden crafts, offering a wide array of choices that cater to different tastes and preferences while maintaining a focus on functionality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the relationship between form and function extends beyond individual pieces to encompass the overall design of a space. In modern living environments, the integration of wooden crafts can create a cohesive aesthetic that enhances the atmosphere of a room. For instance, a carefully designed wooden shelving unit not only serves the practical purpose of storage, but also acts as a visual anchor within the space, drawing the eye and inviting exploration. The interplay of form and function in such designs encourages homeowners to curate their environments thoughtfully, selecting pieces that resonate with their personal style while also fulfilling essential roles in their daily lives. The emotional resonance of wooden crafts further emphasizes the significance of this interplay. Objects that are well-crafted and thoughtfully designed often evoke feelings of nostalgia, comfort, and connection to nature. A beautifully made wooden toy, for example, may remind adults of their own childhoods while providing children with a tangible, safe object to engage with. This emotional connection enhances the user experience, encouraging individuals to form relationships with the items they use daily. In this context, the interplay of form and function transcends mere utility. It becomes a means of fostering connections between people, places, and memories. In recent years, there has been a growing appreciation for the sustainability of wooden crafts, which further highlights the interplay of form and function. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, the choice of materials and the craftsmanship behind each piece take on added significance. Artisans who prioritize sustainable practices often find creative ways to incorporate reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber, enhancing the narrative of their crafts. The resulting pieces not only serve functional roles but also tell stories of environmental responsibility, encouraging users to consider the impact of their choices. This shift toward sustainability emphasizes that beautiful, functional objects can also contribute positively to the world around us, reinforcing the idea that form and function can coexist harmoniously with ethical considerations. The advancements in technology have also influenced the interplay of form and function in wooden crafts. While traditional handcrafting techniques remain essential, many artisans are now incorporating modern tools and methods into their work. Computer-aided design (CAD) software allows for precise measurements and intricate designs, enabling artisans to push the boundaries of creativity while maintaining the integrity of their work. Techniques like laser cutting can produce intricate patterns and details that enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of wooden crafts. However, even with these technological advancements, the artisan's touch remains irreplaceable. It is the human element that imbues each piece with character and soul. The interplay of form and function in wooden crafts is also deeply influenced by the trends and preferences of contemporary society. As living spaces become more multifunctional, the demand for versatile wooden items has increased. Furniture that can adapt to different uses, such as a coffee table that doubles as storage or a bench that can be used for seating or display, reflects the evolving needs of modern life. In this context, artisans are challenged to think creatively about how to design pieces that fulfill multiple roles while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. This adaptability not only showcases the versatility of wood as a material, but also highlights the importance of thoughtful design in creating objects that meet the demands of contemporary living. Ultimately, the interplay of form and function in wooden crafts is a celebration of the relationship between artistry and utility. It is a narrative that invites us to appreciate the beauty of handcrafted items while recognizing their significance in our daily lives. As we engage with wooden crafts, we are reminded of the stories behind each piece, the craftsmanship, the materials, and the care that went into its creation. This bond between form and function enriches our experiences, encouraging us to cultivate a deeper connection to the objects we choose to surround ourselves with. In a world increasingly focused on mass production and disposability, the enduring appeal of wooden crafts lies in their ability to bridge the gap between practicality and beauty, creating a lasting impact on our homes and hearts. By embracing the interplay of form and function, we can celebrate the artistry of woodworking while enriching our lives with meaningful, functional, and beautiful pieces that stand the test of time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.